Now this is the Alabama, Tennessee, and Northern Railroad Swing Bridge. It was built in 1908, and this bridge um, had collapsed. It was removed. Yeah, it collapsed in 1973, and it crosses the Big B River, located in Cochrane, Alabama. And so they used to swing for um, boat traffic and ship traffic, and then uh, swings back closed for train traffic. And yeah, so it used to be in service for a while until the collapse in 1973, and it was removed after that. Yeah, so this a rim bearing swing bridge, yeah, a rail swing bridge. So yeah, so it's located in um, Cochrane, Alabama, which is no longer there. Yep. So